Thank God it's the weekend. Thank God it's the weekend. Thank God it's the weekend. Double in the deep end. Baby, don't pretend. Double in the deep end. God it's the weekend. Double in the deep end. Baby, don't pretend. Double in the deep end. Baby, don't pretend. Thank God it's the weekend. Double in the deep end. Baby, don't pretend. God it's the weekend. Don't pretend.
What is up, people? It is Koinonia Trader. It is Tuesday, January 2nd, the first trading day of the year. We are currently in a position right now looking to target 100 ticks before the open, God willing. We hit that. It's a $500 day. I'll be done with this account. This is literally the only trade that I am in right now. Let us see. Yeah, not a great risk to reward, but you know, I personally find that kind of relative, based off of what your targets are. If you're a dollar target person, if you're a risk to reward kind of person, based off of how I'm trading, I'm a little bit of a mix of both. You know, I feel great if it's a good risk to reward, um, but I'm mainly targeting, you know, dollars on this account, on my accounts really. I already have 250 on my top step for the day. So that one I'm going to leave it at that so I can get that withdrawal today. This one, I want to get it up to 3K. Right now it's at 2.5K. So this trade, God willing, will put me at 3K. Let's see. I just want to make sure If I sell there, yeah, that's $470. Okay. All right, so the reason why I went long was, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart here before we get ready for market open. So we accumulated all night for Asian session. I took that short right here at the 9 o'clock open for session. And, made 250 on that. For London session, we accumulated up and then fully down. The full extension was down. So because of this massive drop right there, I expected us to want to reverse back up. Now, the reason why I only went one contract, and wait, before I even get into that, I was looking to go long, right? Just seeing this drop at 7 o'clock when I woke up. And when I saw that, I said that if I saw us dropping down during this manipulation phase, which we did, I don't know what area of liquidity did we take out. It doesn't look like we've taken out anything, which has me skeptical. Because, it took out this before, but there's this level right here that's got me a little skeptical as to what it's trying to do. And the reason why I say that is because we didn't tap that level. 16,815. We missed it by $2. So that's a little strange to me that it did that. But anyway, because it dropped down, and it created this manipulation down, taking out these stops right there. That gave me confirmation that this wants to retrace back up, potentially even hitting premium before any kind of extended move down. That would be. Let's switch this up to ICT fib. Somewhere in this area right here, 16,927.25. From this move up to down. And so that is why I am long biased for the open right now. Just because I think it's going to come up, tap this area right here before any kind of extension move down. Let's see if this is the full extension down for this manipulation move right there. I've never done standard deviation, so don't sue me if this is not the right way to do it. Yeah, I literally have no idea how to do these. And this is the full extension for whatever. Okay. Well, regardless, I do think we're going to hit up here. We'll see what that does. And so yeah, because of all of that reasoning, I do believe we're gonna keep going. Now, what added extra confirmation was that we have a 5-minute close above the true open for this New York session right here. I need to see the second one hold above, and if it does, then I do believe that at open we're gonna get a Judas swing up. And if we get that Judas swing up, we're gonna get a nasty rejection back down. Why? Because, well, we have, look at that, we have a 1 hour fair value gap sitting right here. We have a breaker sitting in this premium area, so I might actually take this on my second PA, targeting this level of liquidity right there, because that is too juicy for it to not want to take it. And if you look, does this not look like a market maker sell model? Look at that. Where's Terminus? Right here at 758. Look at this. Now, to see more, if it is, I want to see SMT between the S&P and the NASDAQ, and lo and behold, I believe, no, I mean slight SMT here. Excuse me, still recovering. We have slight SMT at this high. Right there to this high. And then we have a similar at this point right here. So NQ created a higher high, and the S&P created a lower low, or a lower high, sorry. Now, what else does it need to be able to have it be confirmed that it is a market maker sell model? Is that we have that confirmation of the higher high, lower low. We have that buy curve right there. Now, I need to see that it tapped into a higher time frame PD array. Let us zoom out on this. What did we tap into? Let's look at the 1 day. Did we tap into anything on the 1 day? We didn't hit this high right there, but we are within this daily fair value gap at 17,069.25. Did it pass that? Yeah, it did. Let's hold on. I want to keep an eye on these accounts. I mean, it could very well be a market maker sell model. I'm just trying to find confirmation as to where I could see why. We did tap into a 4-hour order block, or a breaker block, I guess you could say, but we'll see. We'll see what this means. So, higher time frame bearish, short term bullish. I want to see it come into this area here. So I am very confident that this is going to pump up. Tap into my take profit right there, which would be great. And then, oh yeah, the 5-minute held above, so that's good. Once we get that move up, I will be looking to take it short. So that is my game plan for today. Just taking it easy here. Got some music going. I want to change up the music. I'm tired of this song. I've played it way too much on my lives. No, I don't have that in my thing. I'm wondering if I should just leave it to break even now. I could very well leave this to break even because the open could do one of two things, right? We could Judas right up, or at the open, it might shoot down and take out this level of liquidity before any kind of move up. So we will see what it wants to do. Clearly right now it's looking like it wants to shoot up. And then the 3 accounts that I have grouped together from the new Apex 80% off sale, I have a position on that too. That in total is up about 900, about 1,000 right now. I have 3 accounts, each of them are about up 350 right now. Let me see. We're about to hit our profit, God willing. That's right. Ooh, what do we got going on? Please, Lord, let that be the case. That we hit that 878. That'd be nice if you get that little push up before market open, and we tap into our profit target right there. And come on, you're like $2 away. 25, 40.76. Come on, you're $2 away. $6.50. You're $1 away. 50 cents. 25 cents. And come on. Tap it. Wow, what a fake. Wow, that is insane. Literally almost tapped it by 25 cents. What is that? That is so crazy. It's got to go up there and do it again. It needs to give it one more chance. Come on. Come on. I don't like that rejection. I'm considering taking 300 here. I might just take it. Call it a 500 day in total. Yeah. I didn't like that rejection, but I left it on my other evals. Let's see if it continues to go up. I didn't like that rejection. That pissed me off. Oh man. Ah, I was off by 25 cents. All right, the other ones I'm gonna leave at break even. Where is the entry on those? They're at 853. So. Ah, they failed. I knew it was gonna do that. Whatever, I can't be mad at that. I'm up in total 828 each account. So 828 times 3. I'm terrible at math, clearly. Let me see, 828 times 3. $2,484. Okay, that's insanity. Man, that is bogus. I did not like that rejection. It didn't tap me in. And I'm glad that I sold this because this does not look good now. Because it was a nasty rejection. I didn't like that, and it didn't sustain it well. So, yeah, I guess that's it today. Up 300 on my Apex Live. Up 250 on my Top Step. So a total day of 550 and then a total of 828 on each of my Apex accounts. That's nice. That's real nice.
You mean two of the craziest things you ever gonna see. A thief and a fiend, cause I'm a king. Treat my little baby like royalty. I took her to Queens. Back on the scene, had to go pay for the loyalty. Now
I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this because I want to show somebody something. Yeah, I'm glad I took it, even if it was by accident, on the Apex evals because, you know, this is an eval. I'm trying to build it up. If it was alive, I could have just left it at break even, you know. Wow, I'm so happy I sold that. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that is great. Look at that. I would have got stopped out at break even, and guess what? Here it comes back up. Yeah, I do still think we're gonna come back up into this area right here. And do I want to short it? Maybe I might take a stab at a short if we do come up here. Take a look at the 1 minute chart and see a kind of break of structure. Look, this would have been a solid entry right here, a re-entry. You got this break of structure up, and then fair value gap entry with a order block right there. This would have been a solid TP up here. And your stop could have been this low right there. Ready? Look at this. Look at this risk to reward. This is much better. 1 to 1.6. Yeah. And it's gonna hit my take profit, I bet. Nope. Let's put this back. Yeah, what a morning, what a morning. It's gonna hit the take profit. I have a feeling that it will. You know, it's maintaining that true open, so that's good. You see this? It's maintaining this true open right there, which gives good confirmation that this is still gonna continue higher. If at any point a 5-minute candle closes below it, that's when I start to think that we're going to target this low, especially if we violate this low right there. Just taking a look at structure, right? This was a liquidity sweep of this low right here. If it holds, if it does not hold, then we are targeting lower. Let's just see what it wants to do. We just got to remain calm and just keep an eye on everything before we decide to make any kind of moves. You know, like I said, still holding above. I just want to see how it continues to react to this massive order block right there. Even if it holds this fair value gap there. We've got no open positions now. We are done for the day with a, where is it? A $294 gain on the live, and then each of these evaluation. Oh wait. Oh shoot, I forgot. I still have working orders on here. Good thing I checked. Oh wow, there we go. That would have been bad if I had gone short on those. Yep. Gotta cancel these orders. Cancel. Whew. See? Pays to be paying attention to detail. Alright, let me just double check all my accounts. I got no orders there. No orders there. No orders there. Okay. Yeah, so on these evaluation accounts, we're up $828, $500 during Asia session, and then 220 or 320 here, I think, or 678. Yeah, 320 here during the New York Open. And look, like I said, look at that. What a fake. I would have been so pissed off. So if this low gets violated, we could 100% see that liquidity area of 815, and then we want to see any kind of lower time frame break of structure to the upside, and then we will be willing to go long. Look at this. Ready? Boom. Low taken out. That is not going to pump up. Just sipping on my coffee right now. Look at this. Would have been stopped. Would have been wrecked. Oh man, look at that, wrecked, hardcore. I'm glad I took my game because that rejection was not kind. Not at all.
Crazy, I'm sitting here, to it. I was running laps to it. It's that 912 real rap music. Boy, I came out of Glen, what you know about me? Yeah, I signed a dotted line, but my heart's still free. And my car's still free. 05 Ford Focus and the gas still cheap. Clicked up 40 deep with the whole gang. I got a pocket full of pennies,
Alright.
'cause I'm so changed. I got the real
Looking
thing.
good so
Told y'all underdog,
far.
I'ma roll to the mall, but I'm still gonna save my money. 40 deep. Clicked up 40 deep. Clicked up 40 deep. Clicked up 40 deep.
Ninth grade in the winter when I picked the gift. Spin me in the action season looking too legit. Without a mouth fall, I ain't talking about the click. I'm talking about the one that say your girl from the light grip. Amen, amen. God working in me, I ain't the same man. Trying to study the word, this ain't no hangman. By the way you living, can they tell he on your brain fam? Yeah, it's not y'all in this thing, yeah, that you're about cool. And I with the ATS, yeah, that 512. You can see we on the mission from the way we living. Everybody unashamed, Jesus keep us driven. If you see me rock a chain and that symbolism, cause we came to set them free with the two we spitting. Yeah, it's 116, cause we living unashamed. New school, but the message still the same. Clicked up 40 deep.
40 deep. Clicked up 40 deep.
I'm just watching. Sorry, I'm texting other people at the same time.
Clicked up 40 deep.
Yeah, see, I'm glad I took that. I am so glad. I'm so glad. All right, here comes that lower liquidity level that I talked about. Now, here will be the interesting thing that if this wants to turn into a mini market maker buy model to this level right there, if we get some sort of SMT between ES, no, 1 minute. Oh man, look that's crazy. Look at the sell-off on NQ, and look at how the S&P is just holding. Okay, we are making a new low on NQ. Dang, I mean guys, this is pretty stinking obvious now at this point. If we take out that low, we took out this low here, and we had SMT between the S&P and the NASDAQ. Look at that. And we've got it coming down. What a sell-off. What a sell-off on NQ. There it is. Look at that. Tapped. Tapped. We've got major SMT right now. I just gotta make sure I'm on the right account here. I'm probably gonna take it on this one next, because I have yet to play that one. I'm gonna scalp a little bit on that. Just want to see a lower time frame break of structure up. I just want to see this SMT hold. Yeah, see the full extension would be right here, 789. See some sort of reversal on this coming up, although it might take some time. If this breaks on the S&P, then it's not an S&P at all.
Just as sure as the stars in the sky, I need you to shine in my life. Not just for the meanwhile, for a long, long time. Better believe it.
Just playing the patient right now. Patience.
Feels like I'm missing my blessings, yeah. So I sleep through the daylight, stay awake all night. Till you're back again, oh yeah, yeah. You think I'm biased to my significant other. You hit it right on the head. Only been missing my lover. Got a phone that takes to my phone and I don't reply. The next day falls tell you why. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. Worried about nobody else. Ain't you I'm myself? You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. What's a king bed without a queen? There ain't no I ain't seen. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Take the gas out the car, it won't drive. So I feel when you're not by my side. When I wake up in the morning, up under you and only you. Grateful for your existence. Faithful no matter the distance. You're the only girl I see. From the bottom of my heart, please believe. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. Worried about nobody else. If it ain't with you, I'm with myself. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me.
Great. Spilled coffee everywhere.
Yeah, yeah. What's a king bed without a queen?
Wow, this thing is just dropping. Wow. That is nuts. Should have gone short. Should have gone short knowing that we would have targeted below, but S&P still holding. That is making me think otherwise. And if that's the case, then look at the 1 hour. That will end the market maker sell model that we have going on here. If we hit at 758.50. That would be great if NQ takes out this low here. I mean, after such a big drop, though, that's crazy. We could get the reversal at 10:30. Who knows?
With the lesser thing, I became a better me when I gave up the scene. All the me came when I gave it all to him. Child of God, you know my Lord cannot be stopped. Defeating the odds, you know I'll never fail. May His goodness go before you, all around you. Let Him guide you in your coming and your going. He is for you, yeah. He is for you, yeah. In the light, keep up the pace. I beat the one with all that grace. Holy Ghost glow, we serve them praise. Look in the mirror like when I'm blessed. Just like them street lights up in the late night, I choose to shine the path He set for me. He stayed by my side, helped me to see life. I can't deny it, side I came alive. So even when it all fades, I'ma follow your way, give Him all of my days. Yeah, I pray you dwell in His presence, 'cause nothing really better. Know if you built on the rock, you last through
Man,
any weather.
the
A summer
S&P's
plot
holding
on my
strong.
fall, like caught him by surprise. You know your girl is the winner, I spring it to the
Even
light.
though NQ is super weak.
Walk.
Something special about me, you can already tell the energy is different. Confidence is at the highest level, I don't ever see it dipping. Try me if you want to guarantee, though you gon' wish you hadn't did it. That's a war that you can never win, but hey, I like the optimism. Giving over half my life to this, I think I made a good decision. Trust my gut, I hear it talking, then I know it's time for me to listen. Mastermind consistent, matching my commitment, that's not realistic. Ay, feature presentation, what they came to see, I open up the curtain. Oh my, pandemonium, it's showtime. Got their noses up, I know why. Jealous of me cause the flow nice. Did it all without a cosign. Shooter always hit the bullseye. Barely even put in effort in this effortless. Imagine if I
Did try.
Acknowledge me or not, that don't really make no difference to me. I operate the same no matter who's around me. Who's around me is important to me. I keep my enemies at arm's length, but close enough to make me feel safe. My diligence can be competed with, an easy win for me. This just a small taste of what I'm capable of doing with my talent, stretching my imagination. Watch it turn a small idea into something that you have to tip your hat to when you see it. The whole package ain't got nothing missing. Check off every box, it's unavoidable at this point. Don't you act like you don't see me out here making waves. I got an air about me, I don't play the game the way they want me to. They tell me take a left, I take a right. I'm not the one to pick a fight, but try and bully me, make you regret it quick. The only person I allow to push me around is myself. Body language reading well. It's written on your face, I'm flipping through your pages. You don't have to scream and yell. It's clear to me, yeah, I can tell. The front you put on isn't real.
Took it down low.
I got what they lack. First in every class, never coming last. Amy's on my back, wifey on my lap. She my better half, heavy when I stab. Pockets getting fat, passion never left. Say it with my chest. Got a problem? Yes. Meet me in the flesh. You don't cut the check, I don't do the set. Not defend the threats, always been direct. Nothing but the best, rarely do the press. Promise me the world, not holding my breath. They want me to fail, haven't done it yet. Stacking up the bread, thankful cause I'm blessed. Sharpest in the shed, pen is cutting edge. I get in the booth, perfect, nothing less. Key to my success,
Okay,
keep a
now I
level
wanna see a
head.
break
We want
structure.
something fresh. What you think this is? What you think this is? Deadly with the raps, how could you forget? Thought I might have left, thought I might have quit. Thought I hung it up, thought I think again. Petty, that depends, what's the latest trend? I don't have a clue, I don't follow them. They just follow me, keep them on the edge. Keep them on their toes, keep them wondering. Keep them wanting more, eating on my hand. Don't look at the score, don't look in the stands. Focused on my goals, execute the plan. Beat me at my game, never not a chance. Walk you through my pain, show you who I am. Don't get what it pays, loyal to my brand. Foot is off the brake, stepping on the gas. Knowing at my pace, catch me if you can. Far from done, got so much left to give you. Not a man, I was that person detrimental. 2020 me could never hold a candle to the present day. Me standing here before you, overstep, destroy you, give up, can't afford to keep my standards. I ain't changing that for no one. Digging deep, still got the hunger, press record. You hear it in my voice, can't let the fame and fortune get the best of me. See clearly what's important, not impressed with me. Ain't looking for endorsements, dropping masterpieces left and right. Ignore the hate, life testing me, passing with flying colors. Always been unique, can't be no dime a dozen. I take pride in this, won't catch me cutting corners. Have no tolerance for ignorance. I heard you lost your confidence in me. This should be sorry, can't ignore.
Just hanging tight.
Could you believe I could be different? I'll be a difference. I'll lift you high. And I understand your hesitation, my reputation. It's no surprise. So let me redefine you. And you can see the tide move, just like tears.
Yeah, I'm just watching. Sorry, I was on the phone
Really didn't sleep much last night.
looking at something,
I'm
but
sorry. That's fine. I just think I need
this
a little
sell-off
me
was
time.
insane.
I just
I
think I
don't
need a
know
little
how I
free
would
time.
caught that.
Little break from the shows and the bus rides.
Apart from what I
Last year I had a
said this
breakdown.
morning,
Thoughts telling
or
me
if
I'm
we had
lost,
to
getting
close
too
below
loud. Had to
this,
see a
but
therapist and I found out
there's been
something funny's
not a
going on up in my
single
house. Yeah, started thinking maybe I
retracement
should move
back
out. You know,
into
pack my cards,
any
take a
kind
new
of
route.
inbound. I
Clean
mean,
up
there's
my
this
yard, get the
one,
noose
but
out.
that's like
Hang up my heart, let it
at
air
that
out.
point you're chasing
I've been
hard.
searching. What does that mean, Nate? I've been learning. Grabbing my keepsakes, leaving my burdens. Well, I brought a few with me. I'm not perfect. Looking at the view like this concerns me. Picking up the cues, right? I'm quite nervous. Hating when I lose sight. Life gets blurry and things might hurt me. It's probably gonna be a long journey, but hey, it's worth it though. Cold world out there, kids. Grab your coat. It's been a minute, I know. Now I'm back to Rome. Looking for the antidote to crack the code. Pretty vivid, I admit it. I'm in classic mode. Don't need pity given to me, but I can't condone. Talking down to me, I'ma have to crack your nose for cracking jokes. I'm looking for the map to hope. You seen it? They're making a whole lot of changes. Wrote a song about that, you should play it. I get scared when I walk on these stages. I look at the crowd and see so many faces. Yeah, that's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred. Forget what I'm saying and where the beat go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame, it'll pump my stomach. Throw it back up like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. OCD trying to push my buttons. I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it. I can be critical, never typical. Intricate with every syllable, I'm a criminal. Intimate but never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I'll make you feel like you're in it though. You call me what you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave you deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. Yeah, the sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we trapped inside that we try to suffocate, you know.
I want to see a reaction out of here when it's not doing anything. The market maker sell model completed. So now I'm switching to being bullish.
The point I'm making is the mind is a powerful place, and what you feed it can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me. So take a moment, okay? Just think about it for a second. If you look at your face every day when you get up and think you'll never be great, you'll never be great. Not because you're not, but the hate will always find a way to cut you up and murder your faith. I've been developing, take a look at the benefits. Nothing to meddle with, I can never be delicate. My even relevant, that depends how you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable, can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on if I think you're genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get a grip. Proper etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. See, bounce back on, yeah, strap them in. Look at me, everybody, I'm smiling big. On a road right now that I can't predict. Tell me tone that down, but I can't resist. Y'all know that sound, better raise your fist. The search begins, I'm back, so enjoy the trip, huh?
Yeah, I'm not getting a good read today on what's going on. I mean, I did say that we manipulated down from London. If you look at it, really, it did not. It manipulated up and then came down. Should have been looking at that for shorts. But we never got any kind of entry that I would have liked. Because it was a straight shot down. Boom. I mean, there's this fair value gap, but you can't really. No, definitely for me. I mean, for me, I might not know enough to see what was so obvious about it, but. I mean, this would have tripped me up if I had a short bias. Would have tripped me up hard. so sleepy too. Okay. What do we have it doing now? Swing high right there. Drop. Break of structure over this.
Tell me where to go, what to do. To another flow. Tell me where to go, what to do.
I mean, look, could I try? I mean, let's see here. Let's split this up into other mini quarters here. So we have the open there, manipulate it down. Now it looks like it wants to go up. Honestly, I might just walk away. Just because I don't like how this moved overall. I mean, could I take this fair value gap right there? Because it has that breaker. That's hefty, man. 149 ticks. That's more than $500 on one. I don't like
Tell
that.
me where to go, what to do. To another flow. Tell me where to go, what to do. To another flow. Show me the stars. Show me the stars. Get it poppin', put it.
it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've
I mean,
heard
there's
of
this
a
for
love
value gap
that
right there.
comes
That's in.
once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine.
Do I take it? I mean, I could take it on micros.
Forever in your eyes, I
I'm just
feel
100.
okay when I see you smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. I think that you are the one for me, 'cause it gets so hard to breathe when you're looking at me. I've never felt so alive and free. When you're looking at me, I've never felt so happy. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone
Might just take one,
that you'd be mine.
just to give it a shot. Week 2030?
I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when
I'm losing only $77. That's fine by me.
wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time.
Especially because here we have SMT at this right there too.
Dandelion into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know? Dandelion into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know that I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine. I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. I'm in a field of dandelions.
There we go, got filled on it. Let's see what it does. I was not talking to you.
Yeah, I'd rather be a lover than a fighter. 'Cause all my life I've been fighting. Never felt a feeling of comfort. All this time I've been hiding. And I never had someone to come on. Oh, nah, I'm so used to shit. Love only left me alone. But I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long.
Yeah, let's see what this trade wants to do now. That would be dope if I end up getting a $200 playoff for this thing. That'd be cool. Alright. I mean, let's take a look at why that may be the case. We have SMT at the lows here. Small SMT. I don't know if you guys see it here. there we have a higher high, and then here we have a lower low. Let me explain this out so you can see this better. Yeah, so you see we have a higher low. Sorry, not higher. A higher low and a lower low. So we have SMT at these lows. Okay, so yeah, we have that SMT there. Let's take a look at NQ1. On NQ, we were bullish, right? But here's the thing. So we break up this distribution phase for the New York session. I've got a lot of lines going on. I know it's crazy. So let's try to break this down. We have the distribution for the day. That's broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. Then we take the distribution of the distribution on the day, break that up into 4 quarters. We got 1, so we accumulated. 2, we manipulated down. 3, we expected some sort of distribution up, in which we did not get. Now we're on X, which is a continuation or reversal. Now, what do we have on the 1 minute? We have a liquidity sweep, break of structure, SMT at these lows, came back into this fair value gap. Now I am expecting some sort of movement. If we do get that, that would be nice. I want to see this low hold to be a safe low. And if that does do that, then that'll be great. That'll be great. We'll get $200 on the day on that one. Let me just keep an eye on ES here. We are in silver bullet hour 2. I just realized that. 10 o'clock is the silver bullet. And we have this fair value gap here, this fair value gap here, this fair value gap there, and we are already taking out sell side. It is the completion of the market maker sell model on NQ. We did hit terminus, so we'll see. I mean, it might stop us out. And if it does, it's only $75, and I'm okay with that. But that was quite the drop today on NQ. Did not expect it to be that drastic. And right now, what we're gonna do is just mark out structure. Just to keep an eye on this, we have which I will constitute it as a liquidity grab. We have this high. We have this low being created. I want to see displacement above this. If I had taken one regular NQ mini, this would be a multiplier of 10. So that would be $175. Which would be a solid day, honestly. But I didn't want to risk $700 for this trade. Because I would risk $76 loss. I'd rather take that mini. Or micro, sorry. Not the mini. That not holding up is not good. I need to see displacement, but I don't see any. Tapping into that other fair value gap right there, and then we have that last order block there as the last line of defense for it. Besides, I took this trade on my last live account because I need to have it count as a trading day too to be able to get a payout. So if I lose $75, it's not a big deal. This is not looking like a liquidity grab. I don't like this. This close below. That is no bueno for me. It's not holding up as strong as I'd like. I guess while I wait, I am gonna go request my top step payout. I can't do it until the end of the day. That sucks. It's so annoying that on Apex I didn't make these minimum pays.
Whole life on max, shawty got work like cash. Not a dime, think she more like a stab. And these bands gon' last. Whole life on max.
You don't think they understand? Gotta pull up with the bands if you wanna have me. What you thought? No, I ain't really let you drink. I'ma tell you what I think. If you gotta roll the dank, get my type, bro. Ooh, really, I ain't dealing with it. You gotta show me what you like if you really with it. Cause see, a lot of people
needs to break this high though. Breaking a break of this high with displacement will definitely get us up here easily. Definitely be able to get a payout on one of my Apex accounts by Friday. As long as I trade it today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Okay. The heck is this? Isn't that part of my playlist? Oh, it's going into that weird autoplay. I don't want that.
Socar sua pepeca, eu vou socar. Bola de perna aberta, rebola de perna aberta, rebola de perna aberta. Ó, então vem gatinha, rebola de perna aberta, rebola de perna aberta, rebola de perna aberta. Ó, eu vou socar, de perna aberta, rebola de perna aberta, rebola de perna aberta. Ó, eu vou socar.
Okay, I like what I'm seeing. I need this to keep going. I need it to have a strong push up. Otherwise, this isn't gonna work. There we go. Back to break even. Let's see that push up. I do have to get back to work though. I'm not starting work yet today. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video here and then upload this to YouTube. It is an hour long, so it's quite the watch. But this is the last trade that I'm in. We'll see if this hits. I'll do a trade review later today on the price action, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later.